I'm going to show you how to make a content writer for yourself or your website in 7 minutes with no coding, only using GPTs. This content writer will search the top ranking articles, put together the information, write the outline, and write the article. For real, you can make AI for anything you want in just a few minutes. Let's get in it. Click the link in the description to write free articles using the content writer I made using GPTs. Write an article using the content writer and let me know what you think. I'm going to keep updating it and sharing the updates here, so stay locked in. To make your own, just go to ChatGPT, then go to Explore GPTs. You need a paid account to create GPTs, but I think it's worth it because you can really create anything here. For example, I also created this keyword mapping AI. I'll have this linked in the description too. Just enter your URL and it will suggest keywords for each of your primary pages and recommended titles for each page. It also has some other prompts you can check out. Once you're in Explore GPTs, click Create. You can name your GPT and the main goal of it. This should be a short sentence, straight to the point. Then it'll create a profile picture for your GPT. You can keep it or have the AI change up the pic or upload your own. Then click back to the other side and you can use the AI to create AI. Who would have thought? Here's the prompts I use, so you can pause the video if you want to see exactly what I put in so you can do your own. You pretty much have to go one prompt at a time, then test it out to make sure the changes were made over on the right side of the page. When I tried to enter multiple things at once, it wouldn't add everything and usually missed a few of the instructions. Let's take a look at the article. So here's the blog post, and first it's going to do the outline, which I think has good information in it. And then here you can see all the headings, you can see all the information that's included. It has some nice bulleted lists here. And then it even includes keywords and related content ideas. So I think this is a good looking article. Let's see if we can make some updates to improve it. I added in my prompt for it to write content that passes AI detection. So let's test that out to see how it works. And it didn't. It failed detectors at an amazing rate, not even close. Pretty much just like ChatGPT, but that last prompt usually would help a little bit. It didn't help in the slightest on this one, which isn't necessarily a bad thing for SEO since Google said AI content isn't a problem, right? Let's talk about making GPTs for content writing in general. Seems like the content writing is somewhat limited because it's still created within the confines of ChatGPT. Can it produce AI articles with the multimedia of Texta or the research of Junia or be undetectable like SEO GPT-2? That remains to be seen. As for creating GPTs for other SEO purposes, GPTs have a good amount of potential. The keyword mapper is a good example of something else it can do better than content writing at the moment. I'm going to keep updating these GPTs because I know the prompts can be improved. You already know I'm going to share those with you, so lock in. Let's get into the pros, cons, and my overall opinion of my content writer. Here's the pros. It creates decent content from an outline it puts together after searching the articles of the top web results. The article has good information with good headings, even includes tips, trends, and benefits with bullet and numbered lists. It only took me about 7 minutes to do this, so it's really quick and easy to do, especially for those without coding experience. Here's the cons. The article doesn't include any images, but it does have DALL-E integration, so that's the first update I'm going to work on. The content is decent, I would even say good, but it still has that ChatGPT feel to it. I think I can improve that by testing a different tone. Content failed the AI detection tests. I have some prompts for this that I'm going to test out for that. Overall, it writes good content from an outline put together after researching the top ranking articles in the SERPs. Click the link in the description to check out the content writer as I make updates to it. Check out these other videos about using AI for SEO.